This is the third car of, or the second car of the 3-car assortment. And this is the 1971 Ford Mustang Funny Car. Okay, and this is beautiful. This is the LA Hooker, or Looker, LA Looker, I'm sorry, Looker. No, Hooker. Yeah, LA Hooker. It is a funny car, Legends of the Quarter Mile, and we're gonna take this out of the package here. Look at it, it's got Coca-Cola on it. I can't believe they put Coca-Cola on it. I didn't think they were allowed to put Coca-Cola on it. This thing is beautiful. Now, it doesn't have any Pro Tinker on it because, let me see if there's anything, they were supposed to put something special on it. Man, the detail on this thing. LA Hooker. I gotta check because sometimes they stick a decal where you don't think they're gonna stick it. And boy, and that's a Ford gear too. Oh, right here, there's the LA Hooker. Oh my gosh. Wow, that is really sweet looking. Holy cow. You ready to go here, LA? Wow. That is sweet. That is sweet. Coca-Cola. And that's the second car of SC3 or 8069. There's going to be 3 cars in the assortment. We're trying to change our strategy and come out with 3 packs. And lower the quantities because there'll be 3 cars. There'll only be 2,000 total made because of the 3 cars, so we can get a lower production. But because we're doing 3 cars, then the factory likes that because you're making 3 cars all at one time, and so they like that type of production. And the third car, oh wait, I'm not telling you. Oh, and it's pretty sweet, the third car. Okay, and it's been highly requested too, so I can't give any more details about it, but that is the third or second car, and the third car will be coming soon. Once we get a sample of that, I'm not showing you until the only time I want to show you is when it's actually on the ocean, and then I will tell you that it is. I'll tell you what car it is. So these are the new cars we've got coming right here. We've got the Mayflower. We've got the Badman. We have these 2, which are in blister packs, ProTinkerToys.com exclusives. And happy racing. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and click the link below on how you can get these cars ordered, or the Badman or the Mayflower. And again, check you later on the next video at ProTinkerToys.com.